good. The kids and I came, we loved it, and the kids had a blast. They were running around in the kitchens and having fun.
I love the event today. Kids had a very good time, and the fact that I've always loved Interwood Kitchen so much.
Interwood has always been sort of a family furniture store for us.
I like putting cheese on my pizza, and I like putting the sauce.
Had this amazing day out at the Interwood showroom on Bukhari. Everything in the Interwood kitchen, from the appliances to the accessories, were amazing, and I think they really helped elevate the experience.
I had a great time working at Interwood Kitchens, making our pizzas. Everything was so smooth, so accessible, and who doesn't love working in a beautiful kitchen?